Do you know this before? The continent Africa has 8 of the 34 biodiversity hotspots found in the world, with about 4,700 mammalian species and over 2,000 bird species. Africa is also a home for 40,000 to 60,000 species of plants and more than 100,000 invertebrate species. And here are from the lower to the highest list of biodiversity hotspots in Africa. Succulent Karo is the first one. This is the ecoregion in Namibia and southern Africa and is famous for its great diversity of succulent plants. It hosts one third of succulent plant species of the world, 22 of the 15 species of scorpions, and 48 of 115 reptile species found in this region. The other is Madagascar and the Indian Ocean island. In Madagascar, there are 7 territorial, 5 freshwater, and 2 marine ecoregions. High level of endemism exists among both plant and animal species. Madagascar hosts 99 species of lemurs, which are endemic to Madagascar. The other biodiversity hotspot in Africa is Horn of Africa. It is an East African peninsula. Ethiopia, Somalia, Eritrea, and Djibouti found in this region. Nearly 220 mammalian species lived in here. About 19 species of 285 species lived here. Even if countries like Ethiopia say they host many above the number mentioned. A place like Awash Park hosts the 200 bird species, say a biodiversity expert in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is also a freshwater tank of the region. The other hotspot in Africa is the Guinean forest of West Africa. These hotspots include the tropical moist broadleaf forests along West African coasts. These hotspots This hotspot belt run from Guinea and Sierra Leone in the west to Cameroon Sanaga River region in the east. It is a house of diversity of flora and fauna, including many endemic species. The other is Eastern Afro Mountain. The region's most important larger blocks are Ethiopian Highlands, Albertine Rift Mountain, Kenyan Highland, Eastern Arc Mountain, and Southern Rift Mountain. It extends from Saudi and Yemen to Zimbabwe and Mozambique. This hotspot hosts 7,600 plant species, more than 500 orchid species grown here. It's also a home of over 1,300 species of birds, of which 157 species are found nowhere else in the world. African elephant, African leopard also lived in here. It also hosts 350 reptile species, 323 amphibian species, and hundreds of species of fish and invertebrates. Coastal forest of Eastern Africa is the other. It is a tropical moist forest region extending from Somalia to Mozambique. Includes parts of coastal Tanzania and Kenya. This is a high biodiversity of the forest. There is a high biodiversity. The forests are vital for the region economy, essential for providing water, food, medical plants, food, fuel, and more to the people who lived here. Cape Floristic region. This hotspot is located in southern Africa's southern tip, one of the world's 6 floral kingdoms. Nearly 9,000 species of vascular plants live here. The fibrous biomes located in this region support the region economy to a great extent, from revenue via ecotourism. The last one is Maputo Land and Pondaland, Albany. located in southern Africa, stretching from Mozambique to Eastern Cape. The region is a meeting point of eight major types of vegetation. Nearly 600 species of tree grows in here. The black rhino is also found in this region. The African big five, lion, leopard, rhino, elephant, and buffalo found in this region. That's why you need to visit Africa.